Good morning, this is Fernanda from Any House Cleaning, and let me show you how we clean the mat for the shower. We come periodically every Tuesday to this house, but the owner always take a shower and the mat underneath, it came with a little bit of dirt or grease from the body, things like that. You will see that it's clean, and it is. Just this corner, that side. So I use a bucket and I put some OxiClean there. You can use your tub, just fill it with water. Hot water will be better, and you just pour some OxiClean. Let it sit, and the rest I have to move the chair. And take out all the shampoos. Okay, I finished to remove the shampoos. The shower is clear. And I'm gonna pour my solution of water and OxiClean. And just let it sit. In the meantime, I start scrubbing the plastic mat. You can use a long pole or some bristle. And it goes away really fast. The black spots. The quality of this plastic shower mat floor is really good. We always clean it, not every week, but I think once a month, depending the condition of sometimes the grime is under this plastic, and you just pour some water and let it flush. But pretty much it's good. This is just maintenance, so some people put it inside the washing machine. I don't have time for that because I'm washing the sheets from this house. This is my current client. Like this, right? I don't know if you can see this one black spot. I'm gonna fill the top with more water. Let me soak a little bit. In the meantime, I'm gonna start scrubbing. You can scrub with a pole and a brush or by hand, especially this area that is black. And this is Serena from Any House Cleaning. If you have any question, just call me 407-572-4111. Thank you for watching. Bye. When you finish scrubbing all the surface, even though we scrub, some lines are darker because it's wet and for the use. Thanks God that this shower has a hose. If not, just use a bucket and rinse well. I want to show you something. Do you see those? I don't know if you can see. The muddy wasn't that in bad shape, but do you see those black spots in the water? This is the grime or the grease on here. I don't know if you can check this. Right there. Right there. Right there. So it's good to use a tub. If you don't have it, use an utility sink in the laundry. Or put it outside, put some chlorine or I use how you call that power? I already told you. And scrub a little bit. What is the powder? OxiClean. So I'm gonna flush again the shower and the tub. I'm gonna clean it with my magic eraser. Just wanna show you, okay? Bye. Good morning. I am in another house, and it was some parts behind the plastic mat was pink. I already put a product and let it sit. I fill the tub with water. So we are gonna clean the plastic shower mat, and I asked Carlos to bring some brush. Tráeme el otro, el que tiene squeegee, el que es así largo para el piso. ¿Sabes, no? El que tiene en un lado es cepillo y en el otro es squeegee. Thank you. Put a zoom. This brush is called, what is it called? Dirty Ground Demon by DuPont. Nylon brush, bristles. Okay, my camera got stuck. This is the brush especially for tile and grout. You can use it in showers and kitchen by DuPont. Bristles, nylon bristles. I don't know how to pronounce that. So I can ok, perfecto. Déjalo ahí en el piso, papi. Ven, ven, un ratito. ¿Puedes firmar aquí? Pues no puedo hacer la misma cosa. This way, to do a more detail, you can use this kind of brush or change it. For this one that I already talked, that is nylon brush with a squeegee. You change the pole. It can be the pole from the broom or something like that. I already put a product. And you can cover more area, not in detail, not in the brow lines, but it will work good in this area was pink. So come here. Done. Yeah?
Yeah.
I put some detergent to remove the grease. Good. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna rinse the floor. It's more complicated when you don't have the garden hose or the extension. Copy recipe. You have to rinse really good the floor, because if you don't rinse it, the client can fail because it will be soapy. So rinse really good. you always let the shower in the same position, how the client likes it. Most people, well, most of my clients are seniors and they don't have the strength to change it. So okay, I'm going. Everything is clean. I just needed the floor, and I'm gonna start doing the shower outside. Thank you for watching. Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, 407-572-4118.